Could a forgotten traffic ticket completely derail your life? We're talking about a situation where missing a single court date in Maryland triggers a hidden warrant. That means your next routine traffic stop could literally end in immediate jail time. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to safely navigate Maryland's legal records, find out exactly where you stand, and avoid making a bad situation much, much worse.
Okay, let's dive into this because it's a pretty terrifying reality. A broken taillight, or maybe just speeding a little bit on your commute, can instantly turn into handcuffs if you have an active warrant you didn't know about. And honestly, it happens to people across Maryland every single day.
Now, the most crucial thing to understand right off the bat is this. Warrants in Maryland do not expire. They don't just magically fade away with time. Ignoring one is a massive risk, and it absolutely won't protect you. It really just guarantees that you'll be arrested at the worst possible moment.
So, what exactly is a warrant? Basically, it's the ultimate green light for police. It's a legal document, signed by a judge, that grants law enforcement the direct, immediate authority to arrest you or search your property. You're usually going to run into one of two types. Arrest warrants are issued for brand new criminal charges. But bench warrants, those are incredibly common. They happen automatically simply because someone missed a scheduled court date, or maybe just forgot to pay a fine. Understanding how the state categorizes these records is key. While court and arrest records are usually public to track history, active, unserved warrants are sometimes purposely hidden. Why? Well, the system hides them to prevent a cat-and-mouse game, keeping people from actively evading the police. If you want to check your own status, the Maryland Judiciary Case Search is the primary state-run online tool. It's an excellent starting point, for sure, but you have to be realistic here. System updates can lag due to bureaucracy, and some cases are actually legally sealed from the public entirely. When you are ready to look, stick strictly to official channels. You can run a free, legal check using that Maryland Case Search online by calling your local county sheriff's office or by contacting the district court clerk directly.
But listen, you absolutely must avoid one massive common mistake. Do not just walk blindly into a police station to ask if you have a warrant. If you do, and there is one, they are legally required to arrest you right there on the spot.
You also need to protect yourself from predatory scam websites. Official Maryland sources are completely free and always end in .gov. If a website demands your credit card or uses fake countdown timers to pressure you into unlocking hidden data, close the tab. It's scam, plain and simple. So, the crucial point is this. The absolute safest verification method is consulting a Maryland defense attorney. Because of attorney-client privilege, a lawyer can check your status completely confidentially. Better yet, they can often file a motion to quash, which is basically asking the judge to recall a bench warrant before you're ever arrested. All right, here is your practical, safe game plan. First, gather up any old court paperwork or citations you have lying around. Run those details through the Maryland Judiciary Case Search online. And if you find a red flag or, frankly, just still have doubts, contact a local attorney to resolve it before law enforcement does. Keep in mind, laws, public record access, and court systems constantly evolve over time. You must always verify your information directly through official Maryland court, sheriff, or government sources just to ensure you have the most accurate picture. At the end of the day, don't let the fear of a potential warrant paralyze you. Ignoring the unknown just won't protect you, but taking informed, careful action absolutely will. So, are you ready to step up and take control of your legal standing today?